This is the Amisco Matilda, and I'm going to show you how to put them together. Start out with the back. Get all the hardware that comes with it. On the cushion, find a nice spot. In this case, another Amisco is always great. Get a covering on it and set it up like that. We got all the materials that we're going to use to build it right there. Start with the 4 bolts for the back. Line them up without forcing them. Just wiggle them if you have to, but make sure that there's no force so it doesn't cross thread. Once in a while you got to give the back a little bit of force or bring it up to exactly where you need it. These ones lined up really good. You're going to get the Allen key after you get them hand tight. Give it a good few turns like that. This is one of our most popular stools by Amisco. Custom in about 6 to 8 weeks. Mind you, that's for us in Las Vegas. I don't know what other people's ship time frames are. But really for custom, it's unbelievable, and the price point is too. Alright, when you get those good, make sure you crank them down, because that's the strength of how your back is attached to the base. So you definitely want to go back and forth because it'll help you go further on each one. Again, with Amisco, you don't have to really be nervous when you're using the metal to metal. You can go pretty hard. Alright, now with this, you just want to make sure both corners are even, and then you can get the screws and the drill gun and get it going. Again, just set your drill to a couple before the most powerful on rigid anyways. 4 of them lock you in place, and you're gonna hit those in place. The Teflon feet make it very safe to slide across many surfaces. Some people prefer to put felt pads, but that's entirely up to you and depending on your floor what works best. The Matilda from Amisco.